Hi, I'm Tada of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. So I got these 4 DC motors from eBay. And I finally received this door lock set. This is obviously this is used one. And this came from Cyprus. And it took about 3 weeks to come over here. And also what I have noticed is this is not exactly same as the current one, but I think I can just take the cylinder, the lock cylinder part, and put the cylinder into the existing one. And this is from the hatch. And if this works fine, then I have 2 more for the right and left doors and also ignitions, so that I don't need to carry many different the keys for one car. So I'm gonna start with the easy part. So I'm gonna take the old motor and remove the gear, and this shaft it has the one flat, so align the flat to the gear. And this is the electrical side, and I found the pad, so I'm gonna remove the pad. And put the pad here. You can use glue if you want. I don't think I need it though. And pull it back like this. Okay. And then put this guy back like this. And this is done. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy here. And this guy. Yeah. And this port is this like a fat tapping screw. Other screws are all same. So actuator is the motor is replaced, and then lock. So this is the used cylinder. Interesting is this guy used this wire. Someone repaired it. Usually they use a D clip. And this guy can be removed. And I think I have to pop the cap off. Okay. So it should pop up. There we go. And then okay. And then put this. Okay. So this guy did actually even, I think the key is worn out. So even if I put the key in, these pins are not really going down fully. So what I'm doing is it's filing the tip of the pin so that it can sink low enough so that it can turn. So what I'm doing is so each pin, if I pull this pin, this will pop out. Be careful not to lose the spring inside. And then file this head a little bit. Ideally you get the new cylinder head and key set, but what I searched on the website is that I could find the rekeying set for the door, I mean the driver doors and the passenger door only, and then hatch and the ignitions are not really included. Then what would happen is basically you have to carry 2 or 3 keys for one car, so I didn't really like it. So the only choice I could find online is buy this a set of used one. Then this kind of thing could happen. So the cylinder lock is already worn out, so you have to do the adjustment to make it fit. Okay, I filed all the pins. As you can see, there's some fresh surface. So I'm gonna put some grease. And then put this back in. It spins. Okay, it goes back and forth. A little bit sticky though. Yeah, I think it's okay. And it won't turn if it's no key in it. So now I'm gonna reassemble this. So this spring. Okay. And then this guy. So this notch will go in between this spring. Go like this. And then this D-ring. Okay. Nice. All right, then a little bit tricky part. So I have to use this spring. Put this spring. On this side. Okay. And this lid gonna match. This is tricky. I'll just close this. Okay, I think it's closed. Here we go. This and this. All right. Okay, then I'm gonna push this. Okay. And double check. Nice. A little bit sticky, huh? You need a little bit of trick. This side you're gonna find. This side. Tricky, a little bit tricky. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, now I gotta put this guy on this. So I believe this guy was like this. So plastic pins snapped off. And now it looks fine. Nice. And interesting, it's connected by itself. Huh. So it's I should have this guy here, connect and clip. And now this guy is ready to be back on the car. So I'm gonna put this guy back, but when I take this out, I think I disconnected this one so that the two components can move more freely. And I'm gonna connect that arm to the orange. Okay. All right, then I'm gonna hold this down. Okay, this is done. Okay, one down. Okay, second connector. All right, let's test it. Yeah, let's test it. Okay. Okay. Closed. And open. Okay, this is fixed. So I'm gonna put back the panel here. Okay, so this is done.